spread the chocolate chip to make our coating. And then that's it. All you got to do is let it cool down, throw it in the freezer for a couple minutes, chop it up, and you got candy. Right, Kamakana?
Yep.
Yeah, baby. Boy, we got me a candy maker here going on. Telling you, this is amazing recipe. And we put, all it is 1 cup of brown sugar packed in a pot with 2 sticks of butter. Then you get one of these pans, and then you take soda cracker, like saltines. Saltines is good because the salt with the sugar tastes good, but you can use diamond one also. But then what you do is now you're gonna let it. You cook two sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar in a pan, and then you keep stirring it with your whisk. And then what you're going to do is when it starts to bubble the brown sugar, and you cannot stop stirring or you're going to burn it, the sugar. Then once you're done, then what you're going to do is you're going to take a can of condensed milk. Now, you don't have to. If you don't put condensed milk, just make it like it is. It's going to be very hard like caramel candy. Okay, but if you make it with a can of condensed milk, it makes it more chewy. So it's like you got yourself a nice caramel candy. We like it like that. I need my teeth kind of handle that crunchy one. Well, our candy got out of the freezer and we're cutting it. And take a taste. What do you think, Kamakana?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah? Is that good?
Yep.
Yeah. Now you're a candy maker, a baker and a candy maker,
Wow.
right?
Yeah.
And there it is. And we're going to have to cut it up and remove the wax paper that we used. All right. Happy Aloha Friday. Kamakana cooking candy now.